Are you wondering how to replace out the ear cushions on your Poly Voyager Focus 2 UC? We're going to show you how to do that right now. It's extremely easy to remove the ear cushions and replace them. Go ahead and go to the speakers, remove the leatherette cushion. Once you order the new cushions, then you're gonna reattach it to the headset. And this takes a little bit of finesse, so go ahead and watch closely here. So once you get this one piece of the leatherette cushion in between the speaker, then you can mold it around. And that's how easy it is to replace the cushion on your Voyager Focus 2 UC. Not all replacement ear cushions are compatible, so if you're looking for the right compatible ear cushions, visit the link in the description of this video and make sure you use coupon code YouTube for an additional discount. And if you ever have a need in the future for headsets and you're looking for a recommendation, feel free to contact us today and one of our advisors will be more than happy to help you out. If you found this video helpful, consider hitting the like, subscribe, and notification bell for more videos just like this. Also, we just did another video on troubleshooting tips for the Voyager Focus 2 UC. Check out the video right up here and let us know what you think. That's it for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.